Hello, good day everyone. It is Agogo once more. This is Learning with Agogo. It is an educational platform where I bring to you what I have learned in the course of my practice or personal research. So today we will be working on Project Liberal, as I promised previously in our previous class, that we will start from ground up. So today I will be walking you through how to start a new Project Liberal project. So if you click on the quickly start up a new project. So if you click on the file, you go down to the new button, you can be able to start a project. So today I will be walking you through how to create a program, not a project. So program is a collection of related projects that are managed together, while a project is a single endeavor that it's expected to be delivered to the client with a specific outcome. So today our program will be let's say estate development program, and one of the manager handling the site will be Agogo himself. So let's quickly put a note. So estate development program will involve the execution of 250 housing estate road network and other amenities. So other amenities could be drainage, electrification of the estate, and water network provision. So installation of the tank as well as the water provision. So just quickly click on that. So on here, the first cell, that is on the tax spreadsheet end, I will input all the necessary information, and the right hand side, as previously explained in our previous classes, is the Gantt chart area. So let's quickly jump on this and input this information on there. So I've got estate development program. So let's quickly come up with all the necessary things that we'll be executing. So first planning, to the planning stage, and move to site, and got our drainage. Okay, and got the water provision. Okay, so just trying to come up with some of those things. And we've got the road network. So we've got road network, and we've got main electrification of the estate. So we've got on here quickly the building development itself. So on the building development, that is, let's just quickly input those ones. We'll be doing 4 building types. So let's say type 1, say phase to be phase 1. Then we've got type 2, phase 2. Okay, let's quickly bring this down. Type 2 phase 2. I hope so. Quickly input these ones. Type type 3 phase 3. So hope we get that. So we've got those phases. So we go back to the planning stage. What are we going to be doing on there? We'll quickly input visibility. We'll do a quick visibility. Study. Do a government approval. Also approval. So clearing of the sites. Need bulldozer work done. Fencing from intruder. Provision of security. Need cameras and lighting around the perimeter. And on here we've got survey of the building, where the building will be allocated, as well as the road paths, survey and alignments. Here we'll have to markings and partitioning. It's me just trying to create some space in there. So take our GPS marking and other geoworks, like taking soil samples. Yep. And excavation, and we do mounting of drainage rings, and manhole installation. Quickly provision main water system. You quickly put in reservoir, might not be correct, I'm going to correct that later. Reservoir, networking pipes to building. So that is done. Okay, and on here we do the main road network within the estate, and street road network, junctions and roundabouts. Then we need to furnish the road. With signs and all the necessary package that it comes with. Electrification, do our ground network, of electric cables within the estate. We do installation of transmitters. So installation is supposed to installation of transmitters and installation of building net box. So that's taking it down, bringing it direct to the building. So those are the things that we'll be considering. So on a quick one, let's go back to the top section where we have the project summary. So I'm just gonna indent everything here so it falls under the program itself. And a quick one, planning. Yep. Put space in between these things to make it easy. Anyways, so I'm just doing it on the fly. So let's quickly indent these ones. Okay, let's indent these ones. So these are the activities that falls under drainage, and let's come down and quickly indent these ones. And let's quickly indent these ones. Let's see what have we got here. Road network building provision. See, we've made a mistake here. Okay. So water is supposed to be on its own. Let's bring it out and say this is supposed to be on its own. Water provision, excavation, survey works, planning, clearing, provision of security. Yeah, so those ones are fine. Furnishing of the road, junction, main road works, ground installation. So this is not, so let's install. Bear with me. Let's put a space in between this and bring these ones out. Then we can make this one fall in. That is for electrical works. So I think we are good. Let's take out this by deleting it. Right, so I think we are good so far. Yep. So on here, moving into sides. Yep. Let's take out this one out quickly, and let's bring this one in. Right, so these two will have to happen. So before these ones will happen, right, let's indent these ones and go to our work breakdown structure, WBS. Yep. So as you can see on our work breakdown structure, we've got the activities that we will be working on basically. So you can see this beautiful. So ProjectLibre is a awesome software. So you do your planning, and after that you move to site. When you move to site, then you can do all this. So that is all I want to quickly brief you on, and thank you very much for your time. just gonna go back there and run a quick one. So feel free, you can always ask a question. Let me reduce this one so we can see a more clearer view of what I have done, please. So that is to create you can see it. So that is to create a program. Plan, move to site, yeah, click on here, bring these ones out, then open it again. So when you move to site, you can do your clearing, fencing, provision of security, then you can start working on the projects itself. So these are the project. Drainage is a different project, water is a different project, right? So let me quickly do an edit here and say quickly, after the clearing, let's say projects development, so that those ones will be under those projects. So let's say this will be under those projects quickly. So as you can see, I'm doing this on the fly. I want it to look more professional. So when you finished all this section, then you can have this project development, which is drainage, water provision, road network, main electric work, and building development. So on that building development, let me quickly open that for you. You have your your phase 1 activities, type 1 phase 1 activities, type 2 phase 2 activities, type 3 phase 3 activities, depending on the agreement that you've entered with the clients. So if the client wants the phase 1 to be completed first before going into the phase 2, you will do just that, because the client has got the final say. Without them, we are non-existent. So thank you very much for your time today. Do well to send any questions. I'll be very delighted to respond to those questions. It is great to have completed this course program training with you today. Hope to see you on the next one. Thank you.